Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix front camera issue on iPhone iOS 17 after update. So how to fix this issue? So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So you have front camera is not working, then you have use camera app. So then you have use uh, front camera app. So then you have double home tab button, click. So then you have close from here. So then you have restart the camera app. So then you have seen your iPhone camera is working. So then if their first solution is not working, their second solution you have second solution you have search camera app mode. So then you have close 10 to 20 seconds, and then if not working, their third solution you have restart your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button when you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then your mobile is restart, and then you have properly working the front camera. If there are third solution is not working, their fourth solution you have reset all setting. So then you have open the setting and then scroll up, then you have click on general. So scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset iPhone. So then you have click on reset all setting iPhone, given a passcode, and then you have taken a passcode iPhone. So then you have enter a passcode, and then 20 seconds 10 or 20 seconds wait, and then your mobile is reset all setting off only reset setting. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all setting on your iPhone, and then your problem will be fixed. If there are not working fourth solution, then last solution you have wait for next iOS update. So then if properly working at 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.